Let's talk about food, baby. Let's talk about food, baby. Let's talk about all the good things, all the great things that we eat. Let's talk about food. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Speaks. So, I don't know about you guys, but I really love fast food.
I hear you on that one. I love food too.
Hello. So I
Buenos
looked
noches.
up the 5 worst fast food restaurants in America.
Well, I don't know about in America because I haven't been to all of them. But let's see what the list you have and then we can go from there.
Number 5, Burger King. The Burger Kings where I live, they're really good.
Yeah.
And our mom, well, I mean, I don't know if you know, but mom really likes Burger King. So sometimes like we'll go to eat Burger King and it's like, whoa, this Burger King's bomb. But when I come here, I'm just like, what the hell? We got number 4, which is McDonald's.
Now, I don't know why McDonald's is on here. Okay, because
I love McDonald's.
I appreciate McDonald's. And if you don't like McDonald's, then you're un-American. What's number 3? Dude?
Number 3 is Church's Chicken. I've never been to Church's Chicken. But I was reading like what they have. They have like, you know, fried chicken. They got like, you know, just the usual they would have like a chicken place.
Chicken place.
It sounds so good though. I was like, dang, like the way they were explaining it, I was like,
hey man.
Church's Chicken might be heck of a bomb.
Church's
Should be on this list.
I'm gonna pray for them. I'm gonna pray for them real hard. Church's Chicken. You know, I mean, I don't know. I haven't been there. If you guys been there, please, I would like to know what you guys think.
Let
you guys comment below. What's the next one here?
Number 2 is another chicken place, KFC.
I can see that. I can see that. KFC, I don't like it. It's too greasy. Way too greasy.
I love
super
KFC.
salty. I don't like it. If you had Popeyes, go there.
Yeah,
Popeyes
okay.
is way better.
I do prefer Popeyes over KFC.
Yeah, way better. I mean, they're
Number 1, worst food, fast food restaurant in America, Popeyes. Just kidding. It's actually Sbarro. I don't know if you guys ever heard
Pizza
of it.
place.
Yeah, I love Sbarro.
I love Sbarro.
Oh, I think it's so good. Also, honestly,
I can't say I love them, but I mean,
no, I love it.
It's pizza.
I think I just love pizza.
Pizza's good.
But
Pizza's amazing.
the reason I love Sbarro is because they give you like big slices.
They're huge. Like
ginormous.
They're so big I can't even fit both my hands in this.
Exactly. I love Sbarro. Dude, I don't.
It's like the 5th time you said that. I guess you like it.
I don't agree with any of these top 5 fast food restaurants.
Where, you know, hold on. Where's Jack in the Box in this? Jack in the Box.
What do you mean? Jack in the Box is
no,
good.
Jack in the Box is so like gross, man.
No, it's
You know,
not.
I mean, the amount of sauce they put on it. The texture of the burger is just like super soft. There's no like really like meaty texture on it. It's just all around just gross.
Okay, right now, top 3 fast food restaurants that you like.
I'm in California, so number 1, In-N-Out. Number 2, Sonic. Number 3, Wendy's. I love Wendy's. Number 4,
I said 3. Nobody cares about beyond that. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead, 4?
I don't have 4.
Oh, good job. Good job. I think mine would be In-N-Out. I saw that Panda Express was considered a fast food. I love Chinese food, so I'm gonna go with Panda Express. Number 3, I'd probably say McDonald's.
Hey, McDonald's is good. I have another one. Taco trucks, you guys. You guys haven't been there because you guys think it's like gross or no, or whatever. It's not. You guys need to go out there and you guys need to try it because it's some of the most authentic, you know, Mexican food.
Yes.
Even like just any food trucks, really. They're like awesome. I consider those fast food because I mean they'll give it to you less than like 5 minutes, right? So it's fast.
Yes.
You guys, let us know what you guys think are the worst foods or the best foods or restaurants, fast food restaurants, whatever. We love food, so just leave it down there. We'll read it. Food, you guys. Leave your comments below. Subscribe, share. We love you guys. Peace out. This is Speaks.
Y'all.